Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn phonics. So are you all ready? Let us begin. A. A says A. A for alligator. A for alligator. B. B says B. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C says K. K. K for camel. K for camel. D. D says D. D. D for dinosaur. E. E says E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Right. F. F says F says for fox. For fox. G. G says G. G. G for goat. H. H says H says H for horse. H for horse. I says I for iguana. I for iguana. J. J says J. J. J for jackal. J for jackal. K. K says K. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L. L says L. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M says M. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N says N. N. N for newt. N for newt. O. O says O. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P says P. P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q. Q says Qu. Qu. Qu for quail. Qu for quail. R. R says R. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S says S. S says S. S for snake. T. T says T. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U says a for unicorn. A for unicorn. V says w for vulture. W for vulture. W says w for wolf. W for wolf. X says x for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y says y for yak. Y for yak. Right. Z says z for zebra. Z for zebra. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning phonics, right? So take care of yourself. Bye-bye.